Hi everyone, this is AGS Knowledge and Learning channel. So this video we will see Digital Signal Processing Unit 1 Introduction. The topic we are going to discuss is Mathematical Representation of Signals. There are four ways of representing discrete time signals. They are graphical representation, functional representation, tabular representation and sequence representation. Graphical representation, consider a signal x of n with values x of -3 and -2. Some samples are given. The discrete time signal can be represented graphically as you draw a line on the x-axis and mark it as n, in which you write the samples as red color. Red colors are denoted as samples in which the values are -1, 0, 3 and 3, 2, 4. So this is how you represent a signal graph. So next topic is functional representation. Here the amplitude of the signal is written against the values of n. Let us take an example, and this signal can be represented as x of n is equal to for example, if x of -3 equal to 1, you should write x of n is equal to -1 for n equal to -3. If x of 3 equal to 4, how will you write x of n equal to 4 for n equal to 3? Like that you have to write. Tabular representation, the sampling instant n and the magnitude of the signal at the sampling instant are represented in tabular form, in which n is written against x of n, in which in the timeline you write a -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and x of n you should write the amplitude values. This is about sampling signals representation in tabular form. Next topic is sequence representation. A finite duration sequence can be represented like this, and an infinite duration sequence can be represented like this, in which dot dot starting and ending you should put dot dot. The arrow mark denotes that n is equal to 0 sample is that, and if there is no arrow mark, the first term corresponds to n is equal to 0. Like that example, x of n, there is no arrow mark, that means -1 is the first sample which lies at n equal to 0. Let me discuss about the part B and part C questions regarding this topic. So the first question will be asked is, explain the ways of representing discrete time signals with an example, or they will ask you what are mathematical representation of signal. So this is about part A question. How do you represent a signal x of n equal to 2 power n for n greater than or equal to 0 in tabular representation and sequence representation? The answer is, let us write the given sequence x of n is equal to 2 power n for n greater than or equal to 0. The tabular representation is n is equal to, you substitute instead of n, you substitute 0. 2 power 0, 1. 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 3, 8. 2 power 4, 16. So those sequences can be written like this: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Or in the other way you can write like this and put an arrow mark. Here you can put an arrow mark. So if there is no arrow mark, it represents n is equal to the first sample. Okay, in the next video we will see the rest of the topics. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Comment if you want any other topics. Thank you.